Thukuru-inĩ wa secondary wa Salvation na Major Town mwena wa Thika kaunti ya Kiambu nikuo kambuni ya Safaricom iruguritie mutaratara wa Ndoto Zetu na itanya rĩa guteithia Kenya.
Launching the fourth phase of Safaricom.
Kutukira mutaratara uyu uri okoretwo kuo kwa ihinda, kambuni ino ni heanite muigana wa shiringi mirioni 100 cia gukinyaniria uteithio uyu ikinya riri rigitanyo kunyitirira Kenya aria matehotete na marina matanya ma gwikuria na njira itiganite.
Since 2019 we've invested every year. Last year we invested 100 million. Today we are relaunching the program on the fourth phase against investing another 100 million.
Twarikia kuya formation ni tuthurimaga maundu maria megukoro makihutia kana project ile urera gwika ikuhutia andu aigana kana iguteithia itura riaku na njira iriku nigetha tutuike agutuika ati ni ukuheo mbeca iria cirabatarania kuruta wira ucio.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya Safaricom Peter Ndegwa, ikinya riri ritanyitwo kuguna Kenya aria mari na matanya ma gwikuria na gukuria ngi mibango-ini ugima wa mwiri, githomo na wonjoria.
And since 2019 we've launched a signature program, a community program called Ndoto Zetu, and this is to encourage every single Kenyan who has a dream or aspiration to support their community in a small way to apply to Safaricom Foundation for support on projects in those three areas in education, health and economic empowerment.
Ungirora thiini wa maundu maria tukoretwo tugika na Ndoto Zetu ni uhoro wigie mundu wothe wina project yagienda gwika thiini wa itura riao yothe irahutia ugima wa mwiri kana githomo ona kana ukuria wa biashara nini thiini wa matura mao.
Ningi Ndegwa ni oriti ya Kenya na kambuni ingi kuya itemi tariri niguo gutigirira aria matari na uhoti ni mahota kumatha githomo na mutungata mangi undu ria ungikinyanira korwo wirutiri na ngoro no himbirio.
Everyone counts, you know, your project could get selected. So far we've selected about 1,000 projects. We encourage Kenyans to send their proposals and their applications to the Safaricom Foundation so that you can fulfill your dreams and those of your community through Ndoto Zetu.
Kambuni ino no itongoretie uheani wa laptops na project cia muigana wa shiringi mirioni 1.5 ari ikinya ri guteithiriria hanene hari kugacirithia githomo kia aruti aria mari na mawathe.
Mbeca icio ni cituhuthikite gutuma ciana icio ituike cia guteithika toni ciana iheo itiganite ona gukorwo ni mena ma challenges mwena ona uria ungi na magakorwo ati andu acio mena cioneki marabatara guteithiririo nigetha matuike gukinyanira cioneki-ini icio ciao.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Bataro wa Mwangi.